welcome to my channel. I'm B from Plan with Studio B16, and today we are actually back planning a week because this is the current week, but I never did anything with the last week, and so and this week is going to be a Genesis theme, which I forgot that, so I've been prepping for this to be a Movember spread with mustaches and stuff. And then I realized that this was the day we were going to go to the Genesis concert. And luckily, I had this week I hadn't done anything with, so the Movember week is going to be here with back planning. I have already prepped my pages with the sticker paper, label paper down the middle, just because I don't want the color down here. And I did a pink ribbon breast cancer awareness spread in October. So this is the inspiration for the spread we are doing today. It's going to be pretty similar but blue and without the hourly. So I'll just let that stay on that page, just so I have it easily close at hand to look at. So to do this spread, I need my cloud stencils, and those are 100, and those are here. And I should probably also just rub this down so it doesn't discolor my spread. So I just take a cloth, just rub stencil. You can also wash them under in some water, lukewarm, not warm. So they are super easy to clean. Something like that. Oh, I forgot that one. Yeah, that's right. The last time I used this was for the Halloween spread with the black and purple clouds. So there, they are cleaned-ish. Good enough. And I am going to do as I did the last time. Have the clouds around and not inside the boxes. So I have pages from it's actually from this planner, but before I started using it, so I could use those pages to just cut them out. So I have pages I just can lay inside like this, and I have a little tape on the back side, just that so that they stick. That way I don't need to tape all the way around the pages, and I can just focus on stamping with the inks. So I think I want to just change the color on this one from the green turquoise one to blue, more of a blue color. And my husband just got home, so I don't know how much more I'll be talking because I don't have a door in my office and he's loud. But this is not something I needed to do. I just wanted it to be more of a blue color so it matches the spread. And I'll just go into making the clouds. And I have shown you how to do that in several different videos, so you can go back and watch them. That means you're extra